Welcome. I'm excited to demonstrate our novel solution for vessel inventory management. We've spent thousands of hours on board, researching different problems marine engineers face and building what matters. Our vision is to put every workflow in the hands of the engineer, increasing speed, visibility, and most importantly, accuracy. We achieve that by providing vessel engineers with tablets like this, running our proprietary software called PROPELLER Ship. The large touchscreen makes interaction with built-in workflows intuitive, while the integrated RFID scanner, QR scanner, and camera enable accurate updating of inventory levels as work takes place. Data is synchronized automatically with any PMS or ERP system that you are already using, and our tablet can work offline, giving total vessel coverage. Behind me, you can see what a transformed spares room will look like. After transformation, each spare part and every location on board has a unique RFID tag, making accurate lifecycle tracking become a reality. Now let's go through some of the most valuable features. One big pain point for engineers is not being able to find the spare they need to perform a maintenance job. We have built a flexible search system that allows the user to find a spare based on any piece of information. For example, if I'm looking for a carriage roller, I can just type roller, then add part of the manufacturer's name to narrow down the results. In the top corner, I can see a photo of the spare, as well as information about its maker and related equipment. I can also see its real-time inventory status. In this example, there is one remaining spare at this particular location. In a perfect world, I would be able to see this item on the rack here. However, as we know, busy dynamic environments can get messy. Maybe the item was misplaced, fell off the rack, or placed at another location by someone else. Onboard engineers can spend hours looking for lost spares. To address this problem, we've built a function that turns the RFID signal on the tablet into a radar, guiding you towards the spare. As I scan at different locations around the room, the tablet will beep more as I get closer to the part that I'm looking for. Once I've found the spare, I can easily check it out to proceed to perform my work. The app can also recommend the optimal spare to consume based on a first-in, first-out approach. Checkouts are linked to work orders for planned and unplanned maintenance, increasing visibility and accuracy across part profiles in your organization. Engineers can access purchase orders directly on the tablet, as soon as the procurement team onshore create them. All data and flows are integrated with your procurement system. Identification and storing of delivered parts is done using RFID, which not only speeds up the goods delivered process, but also guarantees what items were received in your order. When a delivery arrives pre-tagged on board, I can access the PO, verify the line items, and check in the received items, all from within the tablet, no matter where I am on the vessel. All I have to do is scan the location, followed by the item, before I store it away. Many shipping companies spend thousands of hours yearly on stock reconciliation. We've built an RFID-driven flow that allows engineers to account for every spare on board in hours instead of weeks. As an engineer, during the stock reconciliation period, I can select the equipment groups that I'm responsible for and tap Next to begin. The tablet automatically recognizes and groups the relevant parts and directs me to the locations where they are stored. In this example, I can see that I need to find 5 spares at the first location. All I need to do is wave the tablet over the shelves and it'll only pick up the relevant tags. After I'm done with the first location, I can move on to the next until I'm ready to submit my findings. Different engineers can be working across different equipment groups simultaneously, with all their results getting aggregated across the equipment hierarchy in real time. This is indicated by the changing colors of the progress bars. When everything is green, the stock rec is complete. Complete history and detailed reports are accessible within the app, as well as online in the cloud for shore personnel, such as superintendents and fleet directors. Very often on board, engineers are unable to identify a spare just by looking at it. Hard copy user manuals are difficult to navigate, while the print labels that spares come with can come off. We have digitized both. If I want to know the exact details of the spare I'm holding, I just have to scan its tag to validate it. The app will display all the vital information. I can add digital labels, and I can also access digitized equipment manuals right from the tablet. With Propeller, you can have accurate views of your critical spares, with real-time warnings and indicators when they are running low. You can generate maintenance or inventory reports and have them sent to your work email. You can also manage storage locations or program new ones. Our features do not end here. Soon, engineers will be able to raise requisitions, manage work orders, and receive recommendations for optimal stock levels on board via our cloud AI. To assist engineers further, we've built interactive ways of getting help. We have on-screen support that explains every element and action of every workflow. In cases where something is still unclear, engineers can automatically take a screenshot of exactly what they are seeing and submit it to our dedicated customer support team. We're constantly building new features based on what seafarers consider to be their biggest challenges operating in harsh and difficult environments. We're looking forward to better understanding your team's needs and sharing more information about how we can help you bring order to inventory chaos.